The Wandered Provoke 31 LV3 backpack has a stylish, urban look, perfect for photographers and content creators on the move. The exterior is durable, and weatherproof construction allows you to shoot in any environment while protecting your gear. Strategically placed magnetic handles on the top provide quick access to the main compartment without taking off the backpack. Inside, the customizable camera cube system secures your camera, lenses, and accessories exactly how you need them, while the removable foam dividers are covered in a soft microfiber to prevent scratches. The top zippered pocket has an immense 5-liter capacity. It's the perfect spot for non-camera essentials you need frequent access to, like snacks, jacket, batteries, or chargers. An additional front pocket provides space for other accessories. The quick side access zipper reveals a handy cable pouch to organize your wires. This side of the pack also has a slim pocket for 3 camera batteries plus an expandable water bottle pocket. Compared to previous versions, the water bottle pocket can now fit larger bottles and hydration reservoirs. On both sides, you can fit a tripod, either in the water bottle section or quick access side. On the back side, a trico-lined pocket can discreetly stash a passport, wallet, phone, or other valuables you want to keep handy. Next to it, inside, 2 dedicated padded sleeves fit a laptop and a tablet. For maximum comfort, an ergonomic structured back panel with breathable mesh keeps air flowing, while the adjustable sternum and waist straps evenly distribute weight. The contoured shoulder straps are thickly padded and curved to adapt to natural body movements. Now I will show you what I have in my photo backpack, the Wandered Provoke 31 LV3. Cable and accessory storage bag, Sony FE70, 200mm, f2. 8GM OSS2, Sony, a 7:3 mirrorless camera plus FE28, 70mm f3. 5.6 OSS lens, GoPro Hero 7 Black. Wireless headphones, flash, Godox Ving IVE 860 The Thread S, external battery with solar charge of 42800 milliamps, chest mount harness for GoPro. iPad. Napkins, passport. With a 31-liter capacity, the Wandered Provoke V3 carries the essentials for an overnight or weekend trip without sacrificing accessibility and protection. Photographers who need to travel light but bring all the right gear will appreciate this backpack. I'm Alex Photography, and I introduced Wandered Provoke 31 LV3, and you have all the links in the video description.